Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss with you MySQL commands. And students, this video is very useful because you are appearing for the board examination. See the video till the end, then definitely you can score the 100% marks. Okay, let's start. First, I will tell you DDL commands. So DDL stands for Data Definition Language and it contains the create command, alter command and drop command. Okay, so first I will tell you what is the role of the DDL commands. So DDL commands are used to construct, modify or remove the structure of the database object. Okay, and what are the database object? Database objects like database itself, then name table, then index, function, etc. Okay, so I will tell you first how to create the database, how to enter into it and how will you create the table inside it. So let's start. First I will tell you, if you want to create the database named test1 in the MySQL, so you will write the command create database and then name of the database. So in this statement the name of the database is test1. So command becomes create database and then you will write the name of the database, that is test1. Okay, so after that your database is created. Now you have to enter into it. So what will the command you will use? The command is to enter into the database, use command. So use and then name of the database. So this command is used to enter into the database. Now you are currently in the test1 and now you can create the table inside it. Okay, so to create the table student in the test1 database, you have to write the following syntax. First you will write create table student. After that you will put the parenthesis, and remember this thing student, write individually. In each line you have to write the field name. Okay, in MySQL you can write all the things in the one line, but don't do this type of practice. You have to write each field in the separate line. Okay, so you will write in first line create table student, then you will put the parenthesis. After that you will write name of the field and then data type. Okay, then you will put the comma. After that you will write the next field and their data type, then put the comma. After that next field, and it is the last field, so there is no need to put the comma, and at last you will close the parenthesis and put the semicolon. So this is the command to create the table student. Same thing I will tell you in the MySQL also. Okay, so let's see in the MySQL. So students, this is the window of the MySQL. Okay, so I will start to create the database. First I will write create database. Database name is test1. Database is created. Now you have to enter into it. You will write use test1. Now you are in the test1. After that you have to create the table in it. To create the table you will write here create table, name of the table, then parenthesis. After that you will write first field name, roll number, its data type, then separated by comma. Now the next field is name, data type, again you will write comma, and third is marks. After writing all the fields, now you have to close it and then put the parenthesis. Your table is created. Now you can see the structure of the table. So this is the structure of the table. Okay, So after creating the table, now I will tell you, if you want to make any changes in already created table, so what will you do? So for this you have to use the alter command, and alter command, it is used for the following purpose. First, to add new field. Second, to remove an existing field, to change the data type of an existing field, and next to add primary key, and next to change the name of the field. These all tasks can be performed when you have already created the table. Okay, so we start to add a new field. First, to add a new field, you will write the alter command, and the syntax is alter table student. Then you have to use the add keyword inside it. Okay, and then name of the field and its data type. Okay, so remember, add keyword to add a new field. That's why जो add है वो yellow color से highlighted है कि आपको ये याद रखना है इसमें. Okay. Next, to remove an existing field, same syntax, alter table student. Okay. Then in this you have to use the drop keyword, because field is already exist. So in this there is no need to give the data type, only you will write the name of the field. Okay. So you will write alter table student and the keyword is drop. After that you will write grade. Now after writing this command, when you will see the structure of the table, then grade is no more in the table. Next, now after that, if you want to change the data type of an existing field, so the syntax is alter table student, modify, then name of the field, after that data type and its size. Okay. So earlier the size of the name field is 20 character. Now you want to modify it from 25 character. Okay. So to change the storage of the data type or to change the data type, you can use this command. Next is to add primary key. So to add primary key, you have to use alter table student. Then the keyword is here add primary key. So yellow characters highlighted so that you have to remember this thing कि आपको किस में क्या लिखना है. ओके, सो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि add primary key के लिए you have to write add primary key and then name of the field. After that, if you want to change the name of an existing field, so for this you will write alter table student and then you will write the change keyword. Okay, and change keyword, then name of the existing field and the new name you want to give, you will type the new name and give its data type. Okay, so these are the 5 purpose of the alter command. Now next is the drop command. Drop command is used to remove the database and table. So to remove the table you will write drop table student, and to remove the database you will write drop database and then database name. Okay, these are the 2 uses of the drop command. After that there are some questions for you. Now you are check your performance कि आपको कितना समझ में आया, आप ये क्वेश्चन कर पा रहे हैं या नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. चेक योर लर्निंग आफ्टर वॉचिंग द वीडियो एंड प्लीज़ कमेंट करना मुझे कि आपने कितना स्कोर किया, 5 में से कितने मार्क्स आपके आए. ओके, और वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करना, शेयर करना और सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलना. ओके, थैंक यू.